How to access an event as a business administrator. Log into your Bizzll account and go to the Business Administration panel. In the side menu, go to the My Events section. Within this section, click Manage to see a complete listing of your events. Here you will be able to see all the events you have created for your business. As the date of an event approaches, check this section to prepare. Half an hour before the start of the event, the Join Meeting button will be activated. This button appears automatically when the event is about to start. Click on Join Meeting to log in as an administrator. You will be redirected to the Jitsi Meet video conferencing platform linked to the event. From there you will be able to attend, moderate and welcome participants. We advise you to log in advance to review audio, video and share material if you need to. And that's how easily you can access your event on Bizzll as a business administrator. Thank you for being a part of Bizzll. Don't forget to register your business and take advantage of all the tools we offer to make it grow.